Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to replace the motherboard of the Galaxy S8. There it is, the Galaxy S8. First of all, you need to heat the back of the phone with a hair gun or hair dryer. I'm using a hair gun. Heat it until it's too hot to touch. With a knife, I'm going through glass and the metal piece. Like this, careful. Because you can break the glass. With a thin plastic, go through glass and metal frame like this. To put the glue. Hit the phone again. I'm using this plastic. As I said, these are very dangerous to break the glass. Here it is. I open the glass, my glass. The back glass is attached to the fingerprint. I'm not attaching that. Now I will unscrew all the screws. There are Phillips head screws. Just the screws stuck on the frame. No, I dropped them. No, I need to remove this back plastic that's holding all of the parts. I don't know how. Like this. There it is. Let's remove it. This is the Wi-Fi charger that can charge your phone wirelessly with this. Now I will unplug the battery. Here's the battery connector. It's here, and then this. This is the speaker. This is the speaker of the phone, and I removed. Now I will remove the front camera and iris scanner. This is the connector for the buttons on the sides: power button, base button, volume button. This is the screen connector. I also need to remove that. These are two rubbing cables. It's for antenna or anything. Does have motherboard and screws? I don't see, and I need to remove the SIM tray. The SIM will need to do first, but I remember. This is the water resistant rubber. Let's keep water out because this phone is not resistant. But if you open, this is not water resistant anymore because you can't close. Very good to prevent water. This is a connector which connects this board here, which is charging port, USB 3.5mm jack and speaker. This removes easily like that. The motherboard is removed, and this I will leave this. I will bring the new motherboard. This is the old motherboard. This is the new one. Now you just need to make sure all the cables are over the motherboard and get stuck under the motherboard. Connect all of the connectors. This is here. This one is connected. The front camera and the iris scanner is connected. And this connector is done. Now I need to connect this two cables, two antenna cables, but also pretend. Connect the screen. I can't connect this. First one is done. And the second one. Here it is. And that's it. This ribbon cables need to be under the motherboard. Now I put the cables under the motherboard. I do that out the camera because I can't hear. That's easy. It's not too hard. And then I will place the speaker. Easy. I'll plug the battery, and you can turn on the phone and see if it works. Yes, it's working. And then we can mount the other parts of the phone and complete our motherboard replacement. Here it is. I will under the pen. So That's it. Everything is working correctly. The front camera. Maybe, yes, this is working correctly. Everything seems to be working correctly. I'll try this to test the speaker. Sensors, they are all working normally. Touch, of course. Vibration. Now I will turn off the phone and mount other pieces. Power off the phone and complete the mounting process. Adding this wireless charger on top. Everything's alright, and now you can screw the screws into place. This speaker that's magnetic, and don't let me to screw the screw in the hole. Maybe I can skip this process to make the video shorter. I'll pause the video because it's easy. There it is, last screw, and this part is completed. Now we will attach the double top, double side tape. I attach the double side glue on the side of the camera, and I will remove this protective layer and place the glass. I remove the protective film, and now I will attach the glass. First of all, you need to attach the fingerprint. It's very hard because I can make from the sides. I will make this up. Now press this press tool is hard to make the glue stick to the glass very well. That's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like my videos, and comment for any questions